Hello again, it's Steve from the UK's Dad How Do I channel. It's nearly spring and we are going to start having to cut the grass. So we need a sharp lawnmower blade. So how do we do that? Let's see. So just quick service of your lawnmower. Check the blade. Oh, it is very much damaged. It's had some nicks, probably by hitting stones or paving slabs. Just use a 13mm socket. I don't want to hold the sharp bit. That's it. Sped the blade. Ooh. Not too bad, I've had worse. You can sharpen it using a file or a grinding wheel. Beware there's sparks. This is an important step. The blade needs to be balanced. Too much weight on that side. I'd say that's balanced. A bit harder this time because of a massive nick, but I won't run my finger across there because that is very sharp, so it will cut the grass rather than mash it. Even a difficult sharpen didn't take long, did it? Right, I'll see you in the next vid.